Out for a nice little bike ride.
We're just moving. Okay. This video is about us accidentally went the wrong way. Went the wrong way. We're going to a park which is so far because I wish.
I think this is going to be the furthest you ever rode your bike.
Yeah.
I walked this trail all the way to go get my car. Remember when my car was broke down?
Wait, your car broke down?
Yeah, with the harmonic balancer.
What?
The harmonic balancer.
Like, I went with you with the car, right?
Nope. He was in the car when kept throwing the belt. Well, I found a guy down here that was going to fix it for me, and I had to go pick it up, so I walked it.
Wait, I walked with you over here?
Nope. I did it by myself.
Huh?
I did it by myself.
Yeah, do you remember this one time that, like, last time your car got shut down when, like, something happened to your car? Dad,
Huh.
do you remember this one time that your car got, like shut down when you still had that broken window?
Broken window?
I mean, through, like, broken dash.
I have no idea what you're even talking about.
Right by your car. That, well, now we're 2/4 in California.
Nope. You got a good long ways to go.
2/4.
We haven't even gotten by Harrison yet. Not even halfway.
I kind of wish we could.
We only traveled a mile.
What?
We only traveled a mile because we was at mile marker 4, now we're at mile marker 5. Okay, got some people on bike coming.
How if we have a race, but also not? Wow. This is so long. Someone's really coming out here and see us yet.
Oh, they're walking.
Yeah, someone's walking forward.
How's that guy that passed us up earlier? How's that guy that passed us up earlier? Yep. There's a lot of them on this trail. Morning. No grass grows in there because it always floods. Forest Trail. Probably one of them e-bikes. Uh-huh.
Oh,
That's a regular bike.
white is kind of black. I bypass you.
You gotta watch when you go across that street because they got cars that goes across. I don't know if it's a four-way stop or if it's just a two-way stop.
End of it.
Nope, still got a long ways to go.
Yeah, I know.
If we're going all the way to Coop, yeah.
Wait,
That way you can go through the tunnel.
tunnel? Really?
Yep, yep.
Oh, I'm ready for that tunnel. Bro, Dad,
What?
finally the end of it.
Not yet.
We're not even quarter yet finished.
I don't know if it was this street. Hold on. Nothing coming, come on. I don't know if it was this street or one next up. I think it was this street where I had to go get my car from.
Dad,
What?
how far is it? Is it in a different state now?
No.
It's in Louisiana?
Yeah. We're close to the state line, but not that close.
The country border? Oh, a squirrel. I want you a
Yep.
squirrel. You got squirrels as elbow.
Yep.
Just take the skin off.
You got your choice. We could ride either to the tunnel or all the way to that park at Coop.
I want to ride through the tunnel.
Okay. Do you want to ride through the tunnel and back and go back home, or do you want to go further to the park? Okay. That's still a good ways.
What?
Still a good ways.
How would you go?
You stop thinking about it. Where the tunnel is at, from our house to there, it only takes about 20 minutes by car.
20 minutes to come back home right now.
But we're on bikes, so there's a big difference. Cars go faster.
Ooh, a 6. Plywood. Yeah.
Already 2 miles into this bike ride. Started at mile marker 4, seen 5, just passed up mile marker 6, so we're getting close to the tunnel. monster's behind me a good distance. I gotta stop and take a break. This seat ain't any good on my no acetol.
I'm here to rest.
Yeah, I got my backpack on. Got 4 bottles of water, 2 Gatorades. There's a monster.
I'm just resting.
Had to stop because my butt hurt.
Me too. And my bike fell.
These kind of seats are not good for people who have no ass. I don't have no ass neither, so.
Do you? Bike got dirty.
Back on the road again. And there's your place to sit down if you're walking. Don't hit me, bro. Don't hit me, bro.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm trying to not to, but there's dirt on my bike, and I'm trying to take it off.
Well, if you wouldn't have dropped it.
What?
If you wouldn't have dropped your bike after you got off of it, you wouldn't have had that issue.
I'm just so itchy on my arm.
You want to stop so you can clean off the mud?
Look at that mud on my leg. I think it's the grass that my ankle, whatever I have to itch on my leg, it's probably from that.
I see the tunnel.
I don't.
See those metal bars up there?
I can't even see it. I don't have the best eyesight, you know.
Okay, you should have good eyesight.
Actually, I have good eyesight because I can't see. Well, never mind. I have the worst memory.
Okay.
Like, I forget my first grade teacher name, but I remember my kindergarten teacher name. Now, what is? Oh my god.
The metal poles are holding up the fence to keep people from driving off into the fence, into the tunnel. I mean,
Wait, we can go home?
yeah, or walking into it, not being able to see it.
Okay. I only can see a fence.
You got people coming out of the tunnel.
Like there?
Yep, they're walking.
I thought it would turn and walk right. But no. Just a family turned out that tunnel. Wait a minute.
What?
I remember it.
Uh-huh.
We always drive over there.
Yep.
And I really want to know what's in that tunnel.
Well, you're gonna find out.
It's a short tunnel that I remember. I can already see the end of the tunnel right now. If I want.
Morning. I don't even have to pedal. Don't even have to pedal. See, now you're on the other side of the road. We don't have too much further to go, and we'll be at the Coop Park.
I wish the tunnel was longer. I think we're so far though. Oh my god.
That was fun, huh?
Yeah, I wish it was. I wish it was that over there. I will tell you where. I wish it would end.
I really got to give up smoking.
What?
So I really got to give up smoking.
Right,
Hey, we're at mile marker 7.
right here. I was trying to get up to right here.
We're 3 miles in. This is
3
long.
miles?
Yeah, this is the longest you ever rode.
Yeah, we only rode it like probably a half mile or not even. Because we're always going to the same part over and over. Like over there.
Yeah, I didn't think you would be up for a long ride.
And this is the longest ride ever. I'm surprised I didn't even drink one of my Gatorades yet.
I know, huh? Just let me know when you're thirsty. I'll stop.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you when I need to drink Gatorade. Yo, that was so fun.
Uh huh.
Are we going to go in the tunnel when we leave?
Yep. We're going back the same way we came. So if we ride 3 miles only, it's going to be a 6 mile ride round trip.
This is 6 miles.
Uh huh. In which I think it's going to be a little further than 3 miles. So we done
I
passed.
didn't know it's going to be this long.
Yep.
I thought it was shorter.
Nope.
Oh, wait for that tree back to the house. Boy, I swear.
I think that next street up ahead is where we're going to be turning to go to that park. So know we're close. When I get to the park, I'm going to pull it up on GPS, see how long this ride is. Yep, they're the Popo. So that's got to be the one because it's where the police station's at. My poor ass. My poor no ass at all. Yep. There it is. There's the park you wanted to go to.
Are we here?
Yep.
Really?
Yep. There's the water tower.
No, we're already here.
Yep. Let's see if I can get the water tower in. There it is.
We're here. I used to have a field trip over there. And we went. Is that right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's hard to push, isn't it?
Professional climbing or something.
Okay, if you say so.
I got up there in like a couple seconds. Probably a minute.
You got your fire truck there,
Yeah, I used to have a field trip over here.
and you got your caboose over there.
Dad,
Huh.
I remember where I sit.
Okay.
So, Dad, this field trip, guys,
Uh-huh.
this field trip, I sit right there. I have a field trip yapping to my friends, like,
Yep.
eating the. I remember what I said about.
You gonna go swing or anything?
What?
You gonna go swing or anything? I'm gonna sit underneath this van.
I get hot fast.
You're almost over the top of it. It was almost over the top bar. That's it's not real grass. It's AstroTurf.
Yeah, because if there's rocks, I will literally swing so high and jump off it.
Uh-huh.
Like at my school, I literally swing so high and then there's rock on the ground. So I swing and then I fly and then
Uh-huh.
that. Type of thing. Ooh, what's this?
All right, so now where?
I don't know. What should I do?
I don't know.
Ooh.
You got all that over there to go do. And as you can see on the trail over there, if you keep going that way, it'll bring you all the way to Slidell. Our Marine did it already. Cam, he rode his bike from Abita Springs all the way to Slidell. He got himself in shape before entering the Marines and parasailing and all that. But then he lost all that weight and muscle mass because starvation and everything like that. You know how it goes when you're training and they break you down. Now he's in Okinawa, Japan. I'm going on a slide. That's a roller slide. Can't walk up that one. I got all them rollers on there.
Yeah.
All right.
What?
None. Trying not to get anybody's kids in the video, but it is what it is. No, don't be walking on them tables.
Okay.
Wanna go look at the fire truck?
Oh, look at this.
The digging machine. The one over there's got a seat to it.
What?
The one right there's got a seat to it. Good bee. Feed me. The good old days of operating a pump. Uh-huh. So I guess you can go in there. I guess you can go in there.
I can or can't?
Inside the caboose. Inside the caboose. No admittance. You can't go in there.
Okay. Let me find out this.
I don't know what that blue thing is over there.
Probably nothing. Oh my gosh, that's a moose. Orange ever.
All right, you ready? Back through the tunnel again?
You just got here.
Actually, we've been here for a while.
Better.
Wet all your hair.
What?
Wet all your hair.
Oh, I hurt my hand. Oh, all over.
No, this is for
Look.
you're gonna divert the water to wherever you want it to go. See?
I want the water to go there. Oh. Plain water hanging.
And then you got the mist.
Let me do my last wash on my face.
All right, we're getting ready to head back to the house. The wind blowing too much. So the wind blowing too much. Yep. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Now starts the 5.3 mile trek back home with the interlude and the going through the tunnel. Go faster, that thing. Get out and do something, people. Get out and take a little leisurely stroll on a pathway, or get on your bicycle and ride. Get yourself healthy. I know that's what I'm doing. And the Monster's a good motivator, because he wanted to do this. We'll probably end up stopping at the Abita Circle Park, let him go splash around in the splash pad or whatnot. But we'll see. I was doing a little narration. And just think, when we get to Abita, you can go splash in the splash pad, help cool off some more.
Yeah. So I don't faint and I'll get injured.
Yep. Yep.
Okay, guys. So we left because there is a grenade there.
Yeah, don't be saying shit like that.
No, I'm just kidding.
That's the kind of stuff that gets you flagged on YouTube. I think this is his favorite part of the ride, the tunnel.
There's a tunnel.
Yep.
And I love tunnels. I go extremely fast.
Yeah, it's your second time going through the tunnel on a bicycle. Every other time is by car.
Yeah.
We went through Alabama,
Yeah.
coming back from Florida.
We literally took 3 hours in the car. Okay.
Yep.
For the tunnel.
Yep. He's really excited, because with the slope and everything, it makes you go fast through it. And he's pedaling to go even faster. Can't believe it shut the damn phone off. That sucks. Both times coming through here did it. And that's the end of the tunnel. They got a gate on the tunnel because they shut the trailhead down at a certain time, because there's no lights throughout here. If y'all look hard enough, you might see a rougarou or something out here. We're not close enough for the Honey Island swamp monster. It did it again. When I was going through the tunnel, it shut the phone off.
Oh my god.
Yep. Might have to get a GoPro.
How am I going to tunnel
Yeah.
again?
Get a GoPro and attach it to my backpack.
Oh my god.
My poor butt hurts. He went in the big comfy seats. Instead of taking a detour at the Abita Park, he wants to go straight home. He wants to get in that AC. Not the first crossroad, but the second one, remember?
How much miles do we have left?
About an eighth of a mile to get home.
When we get home, all I want to do inside.
And just sit in the AC?
What?
And just sit in the air conditioner?
Yeah. I'll just sit in air like AC, and then I'll ride mom's bike
Okay.
a little bit. I just have to rest from all this bike ride.
I know, huh?
Roads like
We rode over 10 miles. You stop thinking about it, it's 5.3 miles one way. And you add that together, it makes 10.6 miles. So, yep. There's a rabbit. Rabbit. What's up, Bonnie? Hey, Bonnie. What's up, Bonnie? Alright. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And focus on getting the rest of the way home. And see you on the next one.